Hi, I'm David Wine, President of Max, and I want to thank you for sharing these brief moments with me. I am so glad for your interest in Max. We have a wonderful vision of creating and sustaining wholeness for persons, property, and communities. This vision is behind the ways we have formed Max. Let me illustrate for you some very important aspects of our program. We call it the Max Financial Cycle. All of us have to buy certain levels of insurance that we need on our homes, farms, and automobiles. When you purchase your insurance from Max, we use your premiums to pay losses. They could be yours or they can be other members of the Max family, just like any other insurance company. But there the similarities end, for there are some very important differences that we believe you will really like about the Max program. First, we only insure members of our faith community. So even if you don't have a loss, and we hope you don't, you know that a majority of the premium you pay to Max is going to help other fellow members of your church community recover from losses that they may have had this year. Losses like fires, tornadoes, hail, theft, and many others. If you are like most of us, premium payments are often an irritant because they buy something intangible like peace of mind, and they're not something we can touch or feel. Isn't it therefore nice to know your premiums with Max are being used to help your relatives and friends in the church, even when you don't have a loss and need that money yourself? Another way that we are different is that we tithe our net income back to the church community. We make specific grants to congregations to enable them to reach out and create and sustain wholeness to persons and ministries in their congregation and communities. This is very unique and enables us to really reach out with some special ministries that respond to the needs of persons in our churches. Finally, the monies that are left after claims, expenses, and the tithe are paid are put into what is called a member's surplus account. Because Max is a reciprocal, you might think cooperative, our members literally own the company, and the surplus ultimately belongs to them. This member surplus is invested in socially responsible funds that support the ideals and teachings of our church. Max is a very different kind of insurance company. You have to buy insurance anyway, so why not buy that protection from an organization that will strengthen the church community and be fully accountable to its member owners? You get high-quality insurance protection that will take care of you if you have a loss. You help fellow members of the church if they have a loss. Your premium actually becomes part of an outreach ministry through the tithe, and your funds are managed to give benefit back to our world. Thanks again for your interest. We hope you will join Max today and help us create even more ministry and wholeness.